Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Manoj Sharma, Head of Spine Department, Jaipur Golden Hospital, Roni, Delhi. Now, today I'm going to speak a little about the lifestyle diseases of the spine. So, regarding the anatomy of the spine, our spine is a flexible structure. It has got 33 small vertebrae, which are connected with a flexible rubber-like disc. And there is a main spinal cord in the spine, which is the main nerve of the body. And at each level, there are small nerve fibers which are coming out. So in case of spine problem, you have back pain which goes down the leg, or in the neck it goes down the arm. Now, in the competitive world of today, people don't have time to take care of their spine, and then they start having problem in the neck or the lower back. Now, like for example, if you work on the computer, if you work for very long hour looking down, then what happens is there's a lot of stress on the neck, which causes the degeneration of the cervical spine, and you can even have the pressure on the disc. You can have the slip disc of the neck. Now, such patients start having pain in the neck, headache, giddiness, pain going down the arms. So this is the routine language called as cervical spondylosis. And in later stages, it can be very dangerous. You can even have difficulty in walking. Now, similarly, in the lower spine, if you drive for very long and your spine is not strong enough, you can have stress and strains of the back, which can cause slip disc. With the back pain, chronic back pain, and later on you can't stand and walk or stoop down or lift things, you'll have pain going down the leg, numbness, and weakness in the leg. So, my suggestion to all of you is that you have to take care of your back, otherwise you can have problem which can have complications. Like the spinal problem have complications of loss of control over the bladder and stools. And in the later stages, if you don't take care of it, you may even require a surgery. So, what are the precautions you have to take? Now, number one, most important thing is that you have to do regular exercises for your neck and lower back. For that, you can go to YouTube or Google and see it in half an hour of exercise. And the best exercise is that you must do 1 hour of morning walk, which will keep your complete body stronger. Number two, you have to take care of the nutrition in form of adequate calcium, proteins, vitamin D, and in the old age, if you are a diabetic or you are a post-menopausal female, you may even have to take medicines like anti-resorptive for your osteoporosis. And number three, your posture should be absolutely perfect for your neck. Like for the neck, when you sleep, do not use the pillow, lie straight, don't look down for very long, don't jerk your head while running or playing or anything. And for your lower back, you should not do a sudden movement to lift heavy weight. Rather, you should bend your knee and then lift weights. So this change of posture, proper nutrition is very important, and there are two things which you must stop. Number one, smoking, and number two, drinking. Alcohol is very bad for your spine. You can just take it once or twice in a month. Now, in spite of all this and taking care of your back by exercising, nutrition, and other things, if you got back pain which is not improving for at least 2 weeks, then you should come to us, or you can go to a good spine surgeon or a specialist, because it can be dangerous and we must investigate you and and come to a conclusion to find out that what's the cause. We specialize in a minimally invasive spine treatment in form of laser or injections and endoscopy. You may come to us. My name is Dr. Manoj Sharma. I'm Head of Department of Spine Surgery, Jaipur Golden Hospital, Roni, Delhi. I wish all of you a very healthy spine, because it's your spine and you have to take care of it. Have a nice